case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a captivating legal case, Wilbur vs. Toyota Motor Sales U.S.A. Inc. caught the attention of many in 1996. The crux of the dispute was about the obligation of manufacturers to honor warranties, unless they explicitly enumerate any exclusions. The saga began when Nicolyn Wilbur purchased a used Toyota Camry for $18,600 from Tri-Nordic Toyota based in Vermont. Despite the vehicle having previously been through an accident and receiving repairs worth $4,000, Toyota dealerships in California declined to honor the warranty. Their argument was that the warranty didn't include coverage for repairs necessitated by the accident. However, Wilbur remained firm on her position, contending that her warranty in no way excluded damage resulting from the accident. Upon deliberation, the court concurred with Wilbur's stance, ruling that damage prior to the car being listed as in service was not exempted from the warranty coverage. This ruling triggered the turn of the tables, leading the court to reverse its initial summary judgment, which was in favor of Toyota, and pushing the case back to the district court. The Court of Appeals took a stand against the lower court, who had, in their view, mistakenly granted summary judgment to Toyota. Now, the case, which has been reversed and sent back, is awaiting a trial to probe matters of Toyota's potential transgression of the Magnuson-Moss Warranty Act and the Vermont Consumer Fraud Act. The unique case continues to capture interest and provoke conversations concerning the responsibilities of manufacturers.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.